Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change color on your return pass in two different methods. So let's get right into it. First we are going to chain. So we prepare our basic stitches, do slip knot and make a small sample. So we're going to chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, and we are working into the back bumps of our chain stitches. This is one of the ways how to start your Tunisian crochet project. Okay, so we've got 6 loops on our hook. Do our basic return pass, and we are going to do another row of Tunisian simple stitch. So we're just going to prepare our stitches, and then again return pass, basic return pass. Okay, and we will be changing color on the return pass of the following row. So again we work Tunisian simple stitches, and now we decided this is the section, or this is the part of the project where we want to change color on. So we can change on the beginning of our return pass or at the end of our return pass. If we change the color at the beginning of the return pass, we will get a nice 2 color effects where the top of the stitches are in one color and the background formed by the chains is in another color. So traditionally you would work the edge stitch under the 2 strands of your yarn of the last stitch, and you would either work the stitch in full and then maybe join your new color for the chain 1 of the return pass, or you would work the new color into the project as when you work under the 2 strands of yarn and then you chain 1 with the new color. But there is even another method how to change color which creates really nice and neat edge, like so. So you work the stitch, the last stitch under the 2 bars, yarn over and pull through, so you crochet the last stitch, and then you take this working strand and you wrap it around your hook from front to back and you hold it with your finger. Okay, so that will introduce an extra loop on your hook, and then when we join the new color you can either join it with the slip knot and start working with the slip knot, or just fold the yarn in half and start working like so with holding the strands of the yarn. You can adjust the size of the loop later on. Just like to just wrap the yarn around the hook without introducing an extra knot to make it look nice and neat. Okay, so you're holding onto the loop of the working yarn with your index finger, and then you've got the loop with the new color. So place it on the hook, and normally we would work chain and pull through 2. However, because we've got that extra loop there, we are just going to pull through 2 like so. Okay, and then we would start working with the new color as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so as you can see, when you look at the side of the project, the chains at the end are nicely matched and worked evenly, even where we added the new color. because what I found when I used to work my projects, if I didn't use this method, then the edge had a slightly different look to the rest of the chains. This method creates a edge which is identical to any other row. Okay, so now this is how you change the color at the beginning of your return pass. Now when we get to the end of the return pass, when we stop when we have last 2 loops on the hook. So in this project, if I decide to now only work the return pass in the burgundy, and I want to introduce the mustard color back into the project, I would take the strand. Again, you can decide to add the color with having a slip knot, or you can just fold the yarn in half, create a loop, place it on the hook. This would be your yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, and now you are working back to working with your mustard again. So you can see this chain is a bit elongated, so we can just pull on the burgundy color, adjust the size to match the rest of the project, and that's it. And that's how you change your color at the beginning and at the end of the return pass. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate these 2 methods quickly again. So I'm just going to place all my loops back on the hook, except for the last one. So I work the last stitch of my forward pass as normal, and the difference is then I now take the working yarn, wrap it around the hook from front to back, hold it with my index finger, take the new color, place it on the hook, which is the yarn which counts as a yarn over, and chain 1, and pull through 2. Now I'll continue working with my new color right to the end until I have 2 loops left on my hook. Then I take again my new color, make a loop, place it on the hook, and pull through 2. Okay, and now I'm back to using mustard color. Okay, so that's how you change colors on return pass. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please let me know in the comments below what would you use this method for, whether you find it easy, if you have any other ideas for crochet tutorials, any methods or stitches that you would like to know. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.